Hey YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video at Exactly Scale Models. Today I present my 1969 Cougar. This is the AMT 69 Cougar Eliminator Kit. And I'm very happy with how this one turned out. As far as the paint goes, there's nothing too fancy, obviously. I didn't do the side stripes because one of them tore when I was trying to put it on, so didn't want to deal with lining it back up with the two halves. It's competition orange with a gloss clear coat over it. There's some pretty nasty orange peel to it, but overall I think it turned out pretty nice. Chrome all around it. I didn't do any trim on this one because I was out of silver paint at the time and didn't have a silver Sharpie yet. Got the nice tail lights back here, actually very nice. Got the Fast Cat license plate. White interior, black dash. Not a whole lot going on in there. It's kind of an off-white. And the orange is a bit darker than the camera makes it look. Just a tiny bit. Up in here we've got the nice 302. Did a little bit inside the hood. Not too much going on up here. Spinning wheels in the front. The back ones don't spin quite as freely, but they do spin if you kind of push down on it a bit. Underneath, you can see I did the thing where I put the rear end in before the exhaust and have to cut it at the mufflers. That's fine. But other than that, there's not too much going on with this kit. I just thought I'd show you a quick video on it. Get back on producing some of the videos for the cars that I've finished. And I'll see you next time.